think so.
That's Church Warsop there, isn't it?
Oh, that's way past Church Warsop, dude.
I mean, the buildings in front, that's Church Warsop, right?
Yeah, that's Church Warsop.
So that's to the right of it, but behind that.
Yeah, that's very far away.
But look how big it is.
Damn, dude. That's like some sort of Sherwood forest fire. Yeah. You can see it's not going to go on YouTube, it's just for like showing mum. I try to zoom in, 4 times zoom. It's 10 times zoom max, it's Wankner. It's crazy. Might as well. Oh, definitely, dude. That's fucked. That's like a massive tyre being burnt. Tons of them. That's crazy. You know that'll burn somewhere. It looks like a volcano that's gone off.
It really does.
It's definitely a fire. There's nowhere to cloud. So I look if there's like any news about that.
So at the top of the railway, and we see a massive fire. Well, we see the smoke from a massive fire.
Yeah.
So that's huge.
Don't know what that is though. Like, I mean, like where it is rather, but definitely some sort of fire because it's moving really fast.
There's that giant hill, like in Vale or whatever.
Yeah. We'll probably start smelling that soon, yeah. Over Warsaw at least.
Wow, that's crazy how big that is. That's some Warsaw community. Well, it's not Warsaw though.
Oh yeah.
It's not Warsaw.
Shit. Yeah, but maybe they might know someone who's like, oh yeah, what's going on?